WBRZ News 2 at 4. Dr. Stevens is here, and 'tis the season. It's a popular time of year for gift giving. So what's good and what's bad in terms of giving plastic surgery?
Well, it's a great idea for a gift, but the recipient has to ask for it or at least show some sort of interest in plastic surgery. You don't want to give somebody liposuction, and them not want it, or, that's kind of an insulting question.
Right.
So, there are things that may be appropriate to give if they've addressed that. And some of the things, maybe, as we talked earlier, like Botox, simple things, or maybe some of the fillers that we have, or skincare, which I think is very appropriate. Surgery may not be. It just depends on if the recipient wants it. We see an increase in plastic surgery procedures this time of year. People have time off from school or work, and so it makes a good time to do plastic surgery. So we see an increase, especially in men, as we talked earlier. For example, Botox.
What do men go and get this time of year?
Botox is actually a very popular thing with men. We've seen almost a 300% increase in Botox procedures since 2000. It only made up about 6% of the market, but we've seen an increase in this over especially since the recession. Men want to compete in the job market, and so we're starting to see more of them pay more attention to how old they look.
And what did you call it?
Brotox, and it's been a term the media has coined.
Okay.
For this procedure, which is kind of funny, but men are having an increased use in Botox.
Are they just interested in it, do you think? Or they, like you said, they're looking for a younger look?
I think they're actually using it for a younger look, trying to compete in the job market with a more youthful look, and it seems to be working for them. So we're seeing more and more of this.
Okay, and you do have, gift cards available?
Well, there are gift cards available at a lot of some of these spas. One of ours, we have gift cards available for that, which makes it easy for these men to have it on their time off or even after Christmas. So I think it can be a great idea, but you just have to ask the person if they're interested in some of these things rather than just give them plastic surgery for Christmas.
So probably a good idea, just stay away from the surgery.
Yes, skincare I think is a great idea, and just communicate a little bit.
Sounds good. All right, thanks so much, Dr. Stevens, for coming in today. We appreciate it. You're watching WBRZ News 2 at 4. We'll be right back.